What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Matt, and I run a laser engraving and embroidery and shirts. I run a business out of my garage. I love it. Today I have the bolt here, and I just put the Talon in there from RotoBoss, and I am going to be running that today on some tumblers. So let's test it out. We'll throw one of my tumblers in there and see how it turns out. But I got the chuck rotary, this one here, because it's a lot faster than as if you had like this one. This one is just a lot easier, and this swivels so you can get your pitch. So let's get a tumbler and we'll throw it in here. So we put it in, and then you just turn this finger tight, and that's it. Put a level on here, make sure it's right, and good to go. All right, it's gonna be a little loud, but we have now this set up. We have user origin. So then you can come over here, and you go up here and hit frame, and it'll tell me exactly where it's gonna go. So I actually want it to go that way a little bit more. So we're gonna move it up by pressing the arrow. Right there. Then I gotta hit origin again. And then I'm going to hit frame. Perfect. Now, set it up to run. Now let's clean it up. I'll have the settings up here. So we'll start with the power settings. This is what I use, so you want to probably take a screenshot and for this. Now the rotary for the Talon, to do that, so that was the bolt settings. Now you want the Talon rotary and everything, how I lay it all out. That is going to be here. And now you can take it, screenshot that also, and now you will have everything in here. If you have the Talon in here, you can set it up. The other thing about this, like going through RotoBoss, is I can go from this thunder to this thunder. There is no, like, it's fine. So that's really nice. So the Thunderbolt is set up, and I'm going to be mainly, I have a lot of tumblers coming up, and I have it where they're too wide to do in the Galvo, so I'm just going to do them in here. It's just make my life a lot easier, plus I got other people helping out, so it'll be easier to keep this going, and I can keep the Galvo going with other things. So this is going to be set up for tumblers for quite a while, and then we got some other fun stuff that's going to be happening with this year. Hopefully, it'll happen. So yeah, pretty nice little setup. It's off in the corner of the shop, right next to the other thunder. I got a bunch of other things going on in here. Like we got some awards going. Show you. Like this. Got some of these to run through. I've got a bunch of hats I got running right now. Pint glasses. So yeah, I got a lot going on in the shop, which is a good thing. It's a really good thing. It's a really good thing. Don't get me wrong. I love it. I love the pressure of everything. And yeah, let's go. If you're not doing well, come on, get up. Get moving. Get out there and make some sales. Tell people what you're doing. Make some videos. Do something. Don't sit around and just think the work's going to come to you, because it doesn't. You got to go get it. And I've been getting it. Glad you got to see me again. Bye.